Welcome. My name is Richard Affolter, and I am the director of WEBA. I would like to invite you on the 21st of December at 7 a.m. UK time for the upcoming workshop, which we welcome here Rutherford School from Canada in the state of Ontario. Igor is with us today. He's the director and the founder, and he will explain why you should attend this particular workshop.
Welcome, everybody. I am Igor Sarjinsky. I am principal. I am founder of Rutherford School. More than 10 years, I provide the educational services for local Canadian and many international students. We are the best pathway program for people who want to be to success. BEST is abbreviation of business, abbreviation of engineering, science and technology. Many of students who was graduated from Rutherford School decide to go to computer science and software engineering pathway. Today, we have our grads in companies such as Microsoft, Google, Meta. Last year, we made affiliated program with the Harvard University, Introduction to Computer Science. Also, we have affiliated program with Meta, and also we have affiliated program with Google. If you want to your students to be successful in the future, if you want to your students to find the right job in Toronto, if you want to see your students with a high paid check, contact us and we prepare your students for successful life. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, join us on the 21st of December, 7 a.m. UK time. Register below, and we will make sure to have a great success event. Thank you very much, and looking forward to meet you all.